And that's really what we set out to do in the paper. And it's the sort of thing when you develop a theory that you have to do to establish the you have to establish the consistency. If it's not consistent, why would anybody be interested in it? And then just one last slide. What we want to do next, and what people are actually working on right now, create models of the theory, Maharaja's theory, that correspond to other mathematical theories. So a mathematician in California, Duncan Herring, is working on the real numbers, how the real numbers fit Maharaja's axiomatic system. Igor Chapiga, a mathematician from Ukraine, is working on a paper. And he's actually, I'm not sure he's creating another model, but he's extending the definitions and trying to understand them better. And one of the things that Maharaja developed the theory for is this third point, that Maharishi's concepts, like higher states of consciousness, like virtually any concept in Vedic science, could be interpreted in terms of the axioms, and that would make for scientists and mathematicians, that would make them see, oh yes, this is a scientific theory in the way that we know scientific theories. And we would also like to be able to describe personal experiences using the axioms. And so that's where we are. And I really appreciate this opportunity to talk about this. The Math and Consciousness Study Group has been working several years. How many years now? 5 years at least. We wrote this paper that I talked to you about, and we have looked at some other things, and this is ongoing work. And really the takeaway, the wholeness for this talk is that the theory that Maharaja presented in his paper is consistent. And that may seem small compared to the magnitude of his theory, but it's an essential step in the development of a mathematical theory.